it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So tonight, I kind of want to do a different kind of Monday motivation and kind of make a confession to you guys. And that is, I'm not perfect, okay? I'm not perfect. I have been so busy with life in general that I've not been able to take the time to do some things around my house and in my life that are long overdue. But let me just encourage you guys, like, we cannot do it all. You cannot do it all. All you can do is what you can do. There are some times where people, places, and things just need to be left undone for your mind, for your sanity. I mean, there are some things you just have to walk away from, you know, and it's okay. It's okay not to be perfect. It's okay. I mean, it is almost resurrection / Easter. Some of you guys like to refer to it as Easter, but it is almost that time, and I still have Valentine's Day. Listen, I still have Valentine's Day decorations here. Why? Because I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. It is to compare yourself to someone else is not wise. That's what the Bible tells us. So it's so important for an imperative for us not to compare ourselves to one another. It is so hard when you're in this world of social media and you look like, oh my gosh, this person already has their spring decor up, or oh my gosh, their house is always clean and the husband look good and smell good, and you don't even know if the man smell good or not. You're just looking at him on the social media and you think he smell good just because he look like he smell good. I don't know, but you start comparing your life to their life, and then you're not appreciative to the life that God has given you. And it's so important for you just to step back and be thankful just for where you are in this moment. You know, there is so much to be said about, you know, just being able to step back and just thank God for where he's brought you from, you know, and to be thankful and grateful for that in your life. And it may not have reached the level of perfection yet. You may not have done all the things you want to do yet. And it's okay, sis. It's okay. We're not perfect. I'm not perfect. You're not perfect. It's okay. I used to run myself raggedy trying to, you know, do everything I felt like needed to be done and get that perfect shot, that perfect picture, that perfect image, that perfect moment. But the truth of the matter is, nothing's ever really perfect. There are so many, if you look at the photos that people really post on Instagram, like they have that one money shot, but behind that money shot, if you look down that timeline, oh, my eye is just, I'm not crying. My eye, this eyelash is not doing well with me. But as you go back and you look through your phone, your phone memory and things like that, it is just so important to see that you're comparing yourself against something that's not really realistic. You know, I may post one good shot, but in order to get that good shot, I may have 97 terrible shots. And you know what a lot of people don't show you is the behind the scene, and you get so caught up on everything that a person presented to you being perfect that you start to measure yourself against another, which is not wise. And then you start beating yourself up for reasons that don't even make sense, because you're not perfect. I'm not perfect. We're not perfect. Nobody is perfect, you guys. So right now I'm getting ready to show you guys an imperfect situation. My house has been decorated like this since Valentine's Day. I've been trying to run a business. I've been trying to, do things with the ministry. I've been doing some exciting projects outside of the home. I've been tutoring my niece. There are so many different things that go on in my everyday life that I have to figure out what's the most important to me. What's going to give me my return on investment right away. And to me right now, the top of my list is, my relationship with God, my family, my business, and then, you guys. And so I have to figure out what's important to me and work, from that way backwards. And that's kind of what I want to say. So don't judge me when I show you guys this. Don't judge me. We're going to put it together. So this is going to be the part 1 of the Decorate With Me. Now I am dressed up because I just finished going live with my ministry, doing like a Bible study or a Women's Empowerment Month message. So I'm a little dressed up. So we're just going to keep it like this. We're going to start breaking down everything together. We're going to put the house together, and we're going to go through this process together. But don't beat yourself up because you haven't reached a certain goal. You haven't, you're not in the area in your life that you feel like you should be at now. that you haven't graduated, or you're not making the money that you want to make, or you're not married, or you don't have children, or you haven't lost the weight, or whatever it is, whatever goal you've set that you've not achieved, and you just feel like you are imperfect because of this one thing that you have not achieved yet. That doesn't mean you're imperfect. That means that you're human. All right? So you guys, don't be so hard on yourself. It's all right, girl. We're going to get it done in due time. We're going to get it done in due season. Don't rush yourself. Don't worry yourself. Don't beat yourself up. It's all good. We're going to get it done together. So let's get started. Whatever that thing is for you, we're going to start tonight. We're going to start right here, right now. Whatever that thing is for me, like right now, I need to get this house together. We're going to start. We're going to make some progress. We may not get it all finished. It's going to take some time. It's all right. We're going to do it together. Me and you, okay? All right, so let's get started.
Alrighty, give me just 1 moment.
Okay.
What's the name for this order?
Melanie Turner.
Alrighty, and the address?
Well, let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young, and you got me going on every single beat. It's my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you, cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Ooh, I love when it feels right. Ooh, dancing really close. This is how it goes. Opposites attract. Guessing everybody knows. Fire on the floor, sneaking out the door. We're just getting started, lady. Now I really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Oh yeah, I love when it feels right. Love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Won't stop till the daylight. Cause I don't ever wanna leave. I don't wanna leave. It's way beyond better now. I give it up on love, but now I believe. Love when it feels right. It's just one of these. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. I love when it feels nice. I love it in my eyes. Oh yeah. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. I love when it feels right. So it's just one.
so my pizza just arrived from Godfather's. It is so hot. I don't know if you guys have a Godfather's pizza near you, but to me, it is the best pizza ever, 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 ever. It looks so amazing. So I'm going to dive in and eat. This is how the house looks now. I've done a deep clean. I'm going to do a few more things, and then tomorrow we will start decorating for spring and summer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will not miss out on another video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!